Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changing the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean.
Alright guys, we are out here, first day of lake season 2019. The sun is shining. You saw from the drone shots. There's tons of boats, bunch of fishermen, 60 degrees. Feels amazing. Probably not going to feel so good when we're cruising and the breeze is blowing. But everything's starting to turn green. Trees are going to start budding here pretty soon. Everybody's going to be back at the lake. So super excited. We're going to get this boat out. We're going to run it. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get some good shots. Hope everyone else is about to start their season. And see you in a bit.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like it's someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like it's someone. South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road.
So there you have it, guys. Quick video, first day at the lake 2019. What is today, babe? March what?
18.
March 18. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Alrighty. We're gonna go eat dinner now, so we're gonna show you the little drive. It's pretty hilly, but we're gonna go over there, eat our favorite dinner. And this looks different than last year. So last year we had the boat. It was pure stock first day. Truck was a lot different. So now we have the lifted truck, pulling the boat, looking good. Alrighty guys, so we're at dinner now. This is Cape Fair once again. This is a restaurant called Flat Creek. It's kind of like a lake restaurant. They did open one up close to our house, but it's not the same. This is the lake restaurant. It's pretty cool. I'm going to take you in, kind of put you on the table and spin you around so you can kind of see it. And I'll show you our food.
Deep sea diving around the club, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green.
Alrighty, we are gonna wrap it up here. Dinner was awesome. First day at the lake was awesome. Temperature is awesome. So we're gonna drive home and we will see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Real quick one. See you later.
Then you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain